Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our ramp we've got this beautiful Ferrari 458 Speciale in to have some sports cats fitted. I'm stood around the front, the engine's way back there, so let's go and take a look. Right, here we are then. As you can see, our technicians are very hard at work, removing the bits and pieces and the panels that they need to get to the exhaust system. It's all getting really busy out there, so let's leave them to. So work's all done, we're just about ready to hand it back to the customer. We're very, very happy with how these Sport Cat upgrades have gone. And if you've got a Ferrari that you want upgrading to, or any car for that matter, bring it on down to VIEZU and we'll take a look.